how to search flights on kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily search for flights on kayak.com. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to kayak.com, and then on the home page you can see from and to right there. You can put in your departure place and airport, tap on it, and then put your destination. Now go to departure date, choose your departure date, and then choose your return date. And then you need to put in how many travelers. So if there are adults, just add on plus. You can just add plus and minus according to the number of passengers. And you can choose the cabin class. You can choose premium, economy, business, or first class. And then you can, after you have chosen the class, just hit search. Now you'll be able to see all the flights. So you can tap on sort, and then you can sort according to the earliest takeoff, latest takeoff, earliest landing, and so on. You can choose the cheapest, the best, or the quickest as well. And you can put in other filters as well. And that's it. Now you just need to select the one of your choice and then just book. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.